Tplink Wi-Fi 6 AX1500 Mbps Archer AX10 Smart Wi-Fi, triple-core CPU, gigabit, dual-band OFDMA, MU-MIMO, compatible with Alexa, wireless dual-band router, advanced, revolutionary Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 delivers a huge boost in speed and total capacity. Get on the latest Wi-Fi technology to wipe out all the annoying jittering and slow down, and enjoy the future network that loads faster
beyond
and
gigabit.
connects more. The latest 1.0 to 4 QAM and higher symbol rate combine to boost speeds for newer devices to the gigabit level. Connect to a 1 Gbps Wi-Fi network with your phone or laptop and enjoy speeds comparable to plugging in an Ethernet cable. Less lag, more fun. Wi-Fi 6 efficiently transmits data, enabling data packets for different applications to share one broadcast and cut the latency. Enjoy flawless video and audio chats, better gaming speeds, and instantaneous video loading on different devices all at the same time. Instant response to every click. A 1.5 GHz triple-core CPU provides overwhelming power to tackle huge amounts of data transferring, minimizing the latency within your network. Enjoy instant response when you click the play button for online playback and get better quality for the online video chatting. Boosted Wi-Fi coverage. Beamforming technology and for high-gain antennas combine to generate strong, reliable Wi-Fi signal throughout your home, delivering smooth and stable connections for every client. Easy setup and use. Whether you prefer the intuitive Tether app or the powerful web interface, you can set up your Archer AX10 in minutes. The Tether app allows you to manage network settings from any Android or iOS device. Ready for today and tomorrow's smart home. With the growing number of devices in today's home, everyone deserves a smarter and easier way to bring all your products together. Utilize Amazon Alexa to control everything via voice commands to enjoy truly intelligent life.